Welcome, everyone is a Nokia 7.2 and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started we will need to open up the Files app right here. Let's continue, and at the bottom we should see our two storages. So you have the internal and the weirdly named SD card. And also if you don't see one of them, you can always tap on the three dots right here, and where I have hide storage devices you'll see show storage devices. So if you don't see it right here as it is right now, there it is. So it would look like this, show storage devices. And from here you can go into the phone storage right here, and pictures, videos that you have captured with the device will be always located under the DCIM folder. As you can see right here we have camera, which is empty. It looks like it automatically saved, in this case to the SD card for me. But that's where you would have your photos and videos. Pictures will have screenshots. As you can see, there is screenshots. And then you also have the download folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded on your phone, that be through a browser, emails, whatever it is. It would be right in here. And other folders like notifications, music, podcasts, stuff like that. Have files that you would place there yourself, so you probably know that it's in there. So let's go to actually finding the files that I want to transfer, which there they are. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can either select the files themselves, you can select the folder, so whichever way, you do it the same way. So hold the file, folder, whatever it is, and it becomes selected like so. If there's multiple that you want to select, more than, for instance, I have right here, you have an easy way to select all by tapping three dots and just tapping select all right here. Or if you want not everything but just like couple files, you can actually just tap on them to check them on or off like so. And like I also said, you can always move the entire folder as well with all of its content. So from here, tap on three dots once you have selected whatever you want, and you have the two options. You have move or copy. Choose whichever one you want. So I'm gonna go with move, and it pops up with the two storages. So because this is on SD card, I'm gonna go to the internal storage, so the device. And from here I can drop it wherever I want. If I want to keep it organized, I'll probably drop it in the DCIM, but I don't really care about it for now, so I'm gonna move it to the main directory, and that's about it. We need to allow access. There we go, now it's moving. And if I go back to internal storage, I should have a camera. There it is just now, and you can see that there are the three photos that I had, and that is how you would transfer the files. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.